We always hear these incredible stories about startups that are trying to change the world for the better. But what does it actually take to get one of those off the ground? Is there some kind of secret recipe? Well, let's dive in and see if we can find it.
So first, just so we're all on the same page, we're talking about something called social entrepreneurship. This is all about using business smarts to tackle big social problems. A perfect example is something like the Khan Academy. They're basically a company with a mission: provide free, top-notch education for anybody, anywhere. That's the idea.
But that kind of begs a bigger question, right? What is the spark? What pushes someone to even start down that path? Where do these people and their world-changing ideas actually come from?
Well, to get some answers, we're going to look at this really cool study out of Florida. Researchers there surveyed, get this, over 1,200 people who wanted to start a business. They were on the hunt for that secret recipe.
And what they found was fascinating. It turns out there's one ingredient in this recipe that's way more powerful than anything else. It's not about being a genius. It's not about having a ton of money. It's the engine that powers the whole thing. And that engine, it's your people. Yep, the number one most crucial ingredient is social support. We're talking about your family, your friends, the people who cheer you on and maybe even help you out with practical stuff. They're the foundation for everything.
The study's main idea was pretty simple, and the data backed it up big time. The more support you have from your social circle, the higher the chance you'll actually intend to start a social venture. It's a direct, super powerful link.
But okay, it gets even better, because having that engine of social support is one thing, but the researchers found two other things, they called them turbochargers, that can take that engine and make it way, way more powerful.
And this image here basically maps it all out for us. See on the left? That's social support, our engine. It leads to the entrepreneurial intentions on the right. But notice those two things pointing down from the top? Those are our turbochargers. Let's break down that first one.
So, turbocharger number one is knowledge. We're talking specifically about entrepreneurial education. This is the stuff that gives you the actual skills and, just as important, the confidence to turn all that encouragement from your friends into a real, solid plan.
And this chart just shows the effects so clearly. Along the bottom, you've got social support. The higher up you go, the more someone wants to start a business. Now, look at that top line, the really steep one. Those are the folks with entrepreneurial education. For the exact same level of support, their intention to start is just through the roof. Education literally turbocharges their ambition.
All right, let's talk about the second turbocharger. This one is all about proximity, basically how close you are to real, practical help. I mean, it's great to have your family cheering for you, but it's a whole other thing to have an expert you can talk to just down the street.
In the study, they focused on the U.S. Small Business Administration. You've probably heard of it as the SBA. This is an agency that gives people real-world help, counseling, training, help with funding, all the practical stuff that perfectly complements the emotional support you get from your friends and family.
And just like with education, the data here tells a really powerful story. This chart shows what happens when people are physically closer to an SBA office. And again, that top line represents the people with better access. Being near these kinds of resources just strengthens that connection between the support from your people and your own drive to make something happen.
So let's put all the pieces back together. We've got the engine, and we've got the two turbochargers. So, what did the data prove in the end?
Well, here's the bottom line. All three of their main ideas were a slam dunk. The engine? Yep, social support totally boosts the desire to start a venture. Turbocharger 1, education? Absolutely. It makes that support even more powerful. And Turbocharger 2, being close to resources like the SBA? You bet. It does the exact same thing. A clean sweep.
So this isn't just some interesting academic exercise, right? This stuff gives us a real practical recipe for how to create more of these social startups. It shows us exactly where we should be putting our energy.
So, what's the big takeaway here? Well, if you're thinking about starting something, your network of friends and family is one of your biggest assets. Don't underestimate that. If you're an educator, know that the courses you teach can literally spark the next world-changing idea. And if you're a policymaker, this is just more proof that public programs like the SBA are a critical investment in the kind of innovation that we all need.
So it all boils down to this simple but really powerful recipe. Start with a supportive community, and then amplify it with knowledge and access to resources. And that really just leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Who are the turbochargers in your life?